So we've been having an absolute blast on the Celebrity Beyond, and today I'm telling you everything you need to know about your upcoming cruise vacation. Debuting in 2022, Celebrity Beyond is the third ship in the Edge class series of cruise ships. It was designed to capture the hearts of the next generation of cruisers. Beyond impresses with its striking design, featuring a diverse array of technologies, amenities, activities, and dining venues on board. It exudes a unique combination of boldness, muscularity, and elegance. The stacks of this ship glisten in the sun like the tailpipes of a sports car, while its unconventionally straight bow enhances efficiency and maneuverability through the heavy seas. The 90-ton magic carpet hovers in the air from the side of the ship, offering a unique experience of floating above the ocean. And the flat windows of the infinite verandas create a very smooth and elegant exterior. The ship's asymmetrical design is most evident in the 3-story Eden restaurant and lounge, as well as the jogging track that rises and falls between deck 15 and 16. So the onboarding process on the Celebrity Beyond was an absolute blast. To be honest with you, I've never really had such a smooth and easy process before. My time was 11 because I checked in early. As soon as we got to the port, we basically dropped off our bags and we started walking. And as soon as we started, we never really stopped. We went through security, we checked in, and we just kept going. There was absolutely no waiting time, so I have to give the boarding process literally a 10 out of 10. It was amazing. And as soon as we got onto the ship, our room wasn't ready because it was 11:30. Usually rooms take, usually they get ready at about 1:30 p.m. is when you start using your room. But what's great about the Celebrity Beyond, I don't know if I've seen this on any other ship, but they allow you to put your bags into the room. So basically you can go drop your bags off, your luggage, and then just come back later when the room is ready, which is fantastic. That's exactly what we did. As you step inside, you'll immediately feel the warmth and elegance of the Grand Plaza, the central hub where the ship's contemporary design meets entertainment. It's surrounded by captivating bars, lounges, and dining venues. The entire ship boasts a world-class art collection featuring works from renowned artists around the globe, including stunning sculptures, paintings, modern photography, and hidden lighting that adds a touch of elegance and cultural richness to your experience. Beyond is both smart and beautiful, earning a 10 out of 10 rating for design, efficiency, and passenger traffic flow. Even when sailing at full capacity, I did not notice any slowdowns or bottlenecks. The ship's layout intelligently links the main dining room area located at the back of the ship with a 3-story atrium in the middle and a theater at the front, creating a network of bars, shops, and public spaces. You can stop by for a martini, get a cup of coffee, or listen to some music on your way to dinner or a show without having to go out of your way too much. Thank you. And by the way, if this is your first time here, my name is Tom Sunday. I make weekly cruise videos, and if you're into that, I hope you decide to subscribe. Now, one thing I noticed is the crowd is a lot livelier here. Now, again, I don't know, maybe it's because it's spring break, or there are a lot of kids that are on the ship, or maybe because it's actually full versus like some of the other ships I've sailed, which have been at half capacity. But there's just a lot going on here. Like, and the crowd is super lively. There are a lot of parties. Everyone shows up. It's kind of crazy. I'll show you some footage of it right here. It's actually kind of cool to see the entire ship be full and kind of lively. There's a lot of people. I really love that. Do you like it is the question.
Oh, do I like it? I do. I actually do. I feel important now that I'm in front of the camera. You know?
Yeah. I'm enjoying this.
I feel like a real G.
All right, sweet. Well, you are a real G. So tell me what your favorite thing about the cruise.
My favorite thing is the dirts.
The dirts.
Yes.
Yeah, I would agree.
Okay, tell me about that.
I think the pool area is the best part of the cruise.
The pool area.
Yeah.
Just good potential, you know?
Good potential.
Yeah,
I see.
I agree.
I see.
I like the club. Club's pretty nice.
Yeah, you guys been there? I didn't actually get to go yet.
No, the club's
Last night?
Yeah, the club's
nice.
When did it start popping? Like 11 or?
Yeah, 11. Yeah,
I
that's
feel
pretty
like 9 there was no one there.
Yeah, no, it's They start the party around 11.
All right,
Yeah,
sounds
pretty
good.
nice.
Sounds good. All right, so everything is good. You guys like the cruise so far?
Yeah.
Love the ship. Only thing, like a basketball court. That'd be pretty nice on the ship. Is that on? No, there's no basketball.
There isn't. No, you gotta go with the membership.
And like a water slide.
That'd be cool.
Water slide would be badass. Like a surf machine, maybe. What was your names again? Oh,
Cool, I'm Josh.
Josh.
Josh Fowler.
Tyler.
I'm Leo.
Leo, and I'm Tom. All right, I'll see you guys around, maybe. Yeah, we'll see you. The top deck area is designed in a similar fashion, with the pool located in the center, the rooftop garden and sunset bar at the aft of the ship, and a walking track that raises and lowers between the top decks, connecting all of it together. It's a brilliant design that I cannot get enough of. If you want a full walking tour showcasing all of the areas and details of the ship, I will provide a link for you above. One of the most iconic features of the Celebrity Beyond and any Edge class series of cruise ships is the magic carpet ride. This floating platform moves up and down the side of the ship, transforming it into different venues throughout the day. Whether you want to sip on a drink or enjoy a sparkling ocean views during the day, or have an unforgettable dinner with panoramic views at night, the magic carpet offers a very unique experience. It even turns into a tender station if needed. Now, the fitness center on the Beyond is impressive. It's a very good size, offering numerous machines and beautiful views. It's located right above the spa, which offers a wide range of services, including haircuts and massages. However, what won me over about the spa were the thermal suites. As part of the Aqua package, which I booked with the Aqua class room, I had unlimited access to the thermal suite area of the spa. With Aqua, you also get a specialty restaurant called Blue and a bunch of other perks. If you want more details about Aqua, my experience, Blue, and the full tour of the thermal suites, I'll provide a playlist link above. You definitely want to make sure you check out those videos because they give you everything you need to know. One thing I will say, the thermal suite became one of my favorite parts of the cruise, offering a little piece of heaven with rainfall showers, Turkish sauna, and salt rooms. I highly suggest the thermal suite. You can get an unlimited pass to it via your cruise planner, and it's definitely worth the money if you're into that sort of a thing. One aspect I did not appreciate was the suite area in the Beyond. Certain parts of the ship, such as the retreat on the top deck, specifically the front section. So basically, if you go to deck 15 or 16 and try to go to all the way to the front, it's completely off limits unless you book a suite with Celebrity. The retreat area is gated and can only be accessed with a key card. It offers plenty of loungers, a small pool, a hot tub, a bar with food, and a dedicated lounge for suite guests. Personally, as one of the 95% of the guests who did not have access to this area on the Beyond, I felt like a third cousin, to be honest with you. I was left with an extremely negative impression, like I was not allowed in certain parts of the house. Now again, I want to leave this up to you, but as you can see, I feel pretty negatively about this. 95% of the ship cannot enjoy that area, and it's Well, it's a miss by Celebrity. I understand that the suite guests should have their own maybe specific areas and etc., but taking that front area away from the rest of the passengers so you can give some sort of a value to the suite guests, it's complete BS. All of the Edge class series of ships are designed this way, and that's the one thing that I cannot stand about them. Now let's discuss staterooms before I blow a gasket over that suite area in the front of the ship. Celebrity Beyond offers a widest array of staterooms at sea, ranging from a single room to a suite that can accommodate up to 10 guests. Veranda is what Celebrity calls their balcony room. Beyond, as part of the Edge class series of cruise ships, only offers verandas in the infinite configuration. Essentially, if you book a veranda on either side of the ship, you will not have the traditional balcony that you may be used to on other cruise ships. Only suites and rooms at the very back of the ship, which they refer to as sunset verandas, have traditional balconies. So the overall take here, unless you book a sunset veranda or a suite, you will not have a traditional balcony. You will have what they call an infinite veranda, and that's what you're looking at right here. Now, I do love the design of the room. It feels much more spacious compared to other cruise ships. Once again, I must commend the intelligent design evident in the backlighting, technology, and the focus on the essentials. The room features a king-size bed, ample closet space, a large shower, and a very comfortable toilet. If you're interested, I have a detailed room tour of our Aqua class cabin on the Beyond, and I'll link it for you above. The deciding factor for most will be whether you prefer a traditional balcony or you're into this whole infinite veranda. Now check out the other video. I will provide all of the details that you need to know, and make sure to comment down below and let me know how you feel about the infinite verandas. It's a very divisive subject. Some people love it, some people can't stand it, and I'd love to know your thoughts about it. Now, Eden is the heart and soul of Celebrity Beyond. The multi-level, botanically inspired venue is located at the back of the ship. During the day, it offers a tranquil space to relax, have a drink, and enjoy some views. As the night falls, Eden transforms into a vibrant space with immersed performances and cultural delights. It includes a bar, a performance stage, and one of my favorite restaurants on the high seas. Eden Restaurant serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and is absolutely fantastic in every single way. It deserves its own video, which I'll link for you above. In the interest of time, if you want to know more about Eden, check out that video in the playlist. It's a fantastic restaurant that you must visit at least once. Speaking of food, Celebrity Beyond offers a culinary journey like no other, with over 29 dining options. From Michelin star chef to a globally inspired restaurant, your taste buds will be in for a treat. To summarize the free options on the Beyond when it comes to food, there are 4 main dining rooms, all free, a buffet called Ocean View Cafe, and a variety of other eateries offering salads, sandwiches, ice creams, burgers, pizza, dessert, and so much more. Now you can choose to elevate your dining experience by opting for the paid restaurants, which include Eden, La Voyage, Fine Cut Steakhouse, La Petite Chef, Rooftop Grill, Le Grand Bistro, and Raw on 5. There's also a chef table experience offered once or twice per cruise in La Voyage, a restaurant designed by Chef Daniel Boulud. This exclusive experience includes a signed book, a kitchen tour, and a special menu. Aqua and Retreat guests have access to 2 very special restaurants called Blue and Illuminate, which are absolutely fantastic, but are off limits to all guests unless you have an Aqua or a Retreat room. Overall, the free dining options on the cruise receive a rating of about a 7 out of 10 for an average eater. However, food enthusiasts may want to opt for a paid restaurant to elevate their dining experience to a 9 or even a 10 out of 10 in some cases. For more detailed information about all of the food options on the Beyond, I recommend checking out the food review videos I linked for you above. They will give you all of the information that you need to know and make you an expert at everything food related on your next cruise. Now let's turn our attention to entertainment on board the Celebrity Beyond. You will find plenty of bars, lounges, a multi-venue club, and a full theater showcasing a variety of productions. Now, the shows were good, on par with what you'd expect from other cruise ship performances. While they may not have been as extravagant as the shows on Royal Caribbean's mega ships, there were plenty of Broadway-style shows, musicals, and comedians that entertained guests in the theater. However, where the ship truly shines is the parties held in the Grand Plaza. Cruise director Luigi and his crew were simply outstanding. Having sailed with many different ships, I can confidently say that Luigi is one of the best and liveliest cruise directors I have ever experienced in my entire life. He is a definition of a party, hosting shows, teaching dance classes, and bringing the energy to the ship. Along with his team of entertainers, they were the stars of the show. Despite the ship being at full capacity during my cruise, with the wide range of ages, including over 500 kids, which by the way was a record from what I hear, I did not encounter any issues. In fact, it was one of the most fun cruises I have ever been on. Now, another area where this ship truly stands out is the service and the crew. I have sailed, like I said, on many cruise ships, but none have been quite like the Beyond. The ship is led by a talented crew of professionals who bring a wealth of knowledge and experience to the table. From Captain Kate, cruise director Luigi, down to the staff at Cafe al Bacio, you are in absolutely great hands. The crew and service deserves a perfect score of 10 out of 10. I would give them more if I could. They were both professional and welcoming, treating us like family and making our cruise experience truly special. Personally, I think Celebrity Beyond is my favorite cruise ship to date. Of course, I'll have to revisit this after my upcoming sailing on the Ascent in just a few months. But as of now, Beyond has set the bar extremely high. If you have any questions, make sure to drop them down below and I'll do my best to answer. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.